Hey, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day here. Look at that blue sky up there. That looks pretty. But all that rain looked good yesterday too. I think we had like 2¼ inches at my house yesterday. Out here on the first job this morning, customers want to just come out here and look and do a regular tune-up, check-up on his furnace after the winter again. Have a lot of that request lately. They ran pretty hard back in January and first part of the year. So give me a call. We'll come out and look at yours too. A&K Service, Heating and Cooling, 770-475-0628 for all your heat and cooling air conditioning needs. Y'all have a great day. Give me a like and a follow, and we'll see you later on.